2 months ago, I was invited to be part of an international expedition with the aim of exploring mysterious pyramids discovered by the Russians in Antarctica during World War II. According to reports, these pyramids were older and larger than those in Egypt, adorned with strange symbols engraved on their walls. The expedition comprised experts from various countries, including the United States, Russia, China, France, and Australia. We stayed at a scientific base near the pyramids, dividing into groups each day to explore different areas. I was part of the group tasked with analyzing the symbols and artifacts found within the pyramids. What we witnessed left us breathless. The pyramids were wonders of engineering and architecture, featuring hallways, chambers, traps, and secrets. The symbols were a blend of Egyptian hieroglyphs, Sumerian cuneiform, and other unknown signs. The artifacts were made of metal, crystal, and stone, exhibiting geometric shapes. Some appeared to be tools, others weapons, ornaments, and even electronic devices. Yet, the most astonishing discovery awaited us in the central chamber of the largest pyramid. It was a circular room with an enormous obelisk at the center, surrounded by 4 columns with luminous spheres at their ends. The obelisk connected to a panel adorned with buttons and levers. Screens on the walls displayed images of stars, planets, and the pyramids of Egypt. Approaching cautiously, we tried to decipher the obelisk's purpose. One of my colleagues, an Australian physicist, dared to press one of the buttons. Suddenly, the obelisk lit up with an intense blue color, accompanied by a hum that vibrated our bones. The spheres on the columns illuminated in red, green, yellow, and violet, spinning around the obelisk. Screens transitioned from images to numbers and equations. I was awestruck by what the panel indicated. The obelisk was an energy generator creating a magnetic field linking this pyramid to those in Egypt. The geographical coordinates matched the exact location of the Egyptian pyramids. Calculations displayed the intensity of the magnetic field and the amount of electricity it produced. What was the purpose of all this? Why would the ancient builders of these pyramids generate such electricity? What kind of machine or experiment were they powering? Who or what were they communicating with? Before I could ponder further, the obelisk started emitting a different, sharper sound. The spheres accelerated, and the screens filled with letters and symbols. It was a message, but I couldn't comprehend it. Then, I felt a blow to my head, and everything went black. When I awoke, I was on a stretcher surrounded by my colleagues. They told me there had been an explosion in the pyramid, and we had to evacuate. I was the only one injured, found unconscious next to the obelisk. They said the pyramid had collapsed, and nothing remained of what we had seen. But I knew it wasn't true. I knew something had happened. I knew someone or something had contacted us. And I knew I had to go back.